I'm Ashley.
And I'm Amanda.
And this is the Pink Pug Shop.
We're located on Midland Drive, right across from Rose's and behind Grub Burger. Looking for a gift to make them laugh? Our shop is filled with tacky mugs, seasonings, kid gifts, and edgy decor.
Everything from comfy and casual, like our graphic tees,
to Christmas party worthy, decked out in sequins. We got you, girl!
we have the perfect gifts for office parties, Secret Santa, and those hard to shop for friends.
And come check out our awesome candy table for stocking stuffers.
Be sure and stop by and see us and Pixie the Pug this holiday season. We've got it all. Kids, women's, plus-size clothes, jewelry, gifts, and more.
We get new arrivals daily. Be sure to check them out on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and on our website,
thepinkpugshop.com.